At this juncture, mga ka-trailblazer, we are also pleased to have this kautuhan. Some of the students and a faculty kung asa naka-attend sa one of the lecture series ni Professor Horvat. No, maghatag sila insights and also experiences kung kumusta ang lecture series ni Prof. Help me welcome for lunch chat, we have Natalie, Mylene, and Ma'am Rose. Hi, ma'ams! Maayong uto!
Hi! Hello mga ka-trailblazer! Welcome to our lunch chat! So, I'm so happy that I'm one of the guests right now together with the College of Engineering students. So, mag-hi sa atong mga viewers karon.
Hello everyone! Hello mga classmate na kong naminaw dira. We are here sa lunch chat.
Hello, maayong udto to my fellow trailblazers and to my fellow future engineers and architectures na anami diri sa inyong atubangan. Halo, halo!
Ayan, later on, magpa-games tag-hep-hep hooray. Charis. Anyways, no, si Engineer Rose, kinama po danino, og si Natalie, og Mylene. Of course, mag-share sila insights o experiences, no, kung kumusta ang pagbisita ni Prof. Allen dari sa ato ang university. So, ato ang first question, no, how is it going, no, sa ato ang lecture ni Doc Horvat?
So having professors from other country, especially in Madrid, Spain, while he introduced his research and his research expertise to our university, no, it gives us impact. It captures our interest, especially nga dagan pa di ay mi dapat ma-learn about the factors that affects our environment because Professor Allen share his proposed research study about life cycle analysis. And also, there are a lot more to learn pa di ay about sa environmental impacts karon nga generation.
Wow. Alright. So, first question para sa atong Miss Universe. Alright. So, mo to siya, no? Thank you so much, Mylene. So, now let's hear for Natalie.
So hello, ako ang feeling kadto nga time kay first kay nakulbaan mi kay since 'di ba among naimbaw ano na kay foreigner ang mag-present 'di ba syempre makakulba. So kanang kulba gid siya in time ay kanang maka-overthink mi nga what if dili na mo masabtan niyang accent kanang dili na mo siya ma-comprehend og ayo tungod kay laylay biya og accent but all throughout siyang presentation it was excellent.
Exactly.
Oh, kay kanang aside sa ihang na-relay og ayo sa mo ang ihang bot pasabot kay daghan pud mig natun-an aside sa ihang research.
Alright. So, the same gyapon tag ko kay kaganina naka-storya man nato, nakaimamat man nato si Doc Horvat, no, sa ato first part. But everything is so good in terms of his inputs, di ba? And it's so great to hear, no, that students are very much welcome pod sa IAHA. So, now let's hear to Engineer Rose.
Okay, in the faculty side, it was really a good experience because during when I was a college, in my school, we don't have any international guests to talk about.
Yes.
That's why I'm so happy because in the student side, I can get to capture it, this will be good for the student. And then in the faculty side, it is, I also said, this is an eye-opener for a new learning for myself. And also I believe in also to those faculty who were with me. So that was really a fantastic experience with Professor Horvat.
Fantastic, Ikay. Thank you so much, Engineer. No, so your insights are very much kanang captivating, no, kay it's very much refreshing as well, no, kay sa sama pa sa gingon ni Engineer. Even when I was still a student, we didn't get to have international na mga foreigners kung asa maghatag og inputs, no, gikan po silang learnings. Anyways, enjoyable ba kayo ang ang experience, no, sa pagpaminaw sa lecture? Daghan batang nakatunan and more so?
Yes, in my perspective as the faculty, I really learned a lot in a deep deeper way of the life cycle demolition. I learned a lot the carbon emission, which was also my thesis before. And I get to have an interaction with Professor Horvath during the symposium. I get to ask questions, and it was really, as I mentioned a while ago, it was really an eye-opener to me that indeed there are so much that we need to learn from the perspective of the environmental impact. And even Professor Horvath really braced it off that he wants to give the knowledge that he has to us. So that was really the experience that I have.
So, it's very nice yun to hear pod no nga dili lang ang estudyante ang naka-benefit sa iyahang ginahatag nga lecture, but also the faculties as well, which is a very big thing pod no sa atong university. Kaya of course no mag-expand man gyud ang ato ang learning og knowledge as well. So yes, Mylene.
So for me pod, as a third year student from civil engineering, when Professor Allen talks about his research, no, it was very relevant to our course, civil engineering, because he talks about life cycle analysis that yahang introduce po dito nga ang CO2, which is the carbon dioxide, has impact the iPod sa construction materials, which is in line with our course. And also, the one thing that captures my attention or my interest is when Professor Allen talked about the plastic bottle, no? We know that the purpose of plastic bottle is to store water for drinking water, and we don't know that naa pa ay giagian si plastic bottle nga nakaapekto sa ato ang environment. Ang iyang number one example ato is transporting plastic bottle. So when the plastic bottle gina-transport siya, for example, sa Philippines, Canada, and Singapore, naana din siya na-emit nga carbon dioxide, and we know that carbon dioxide has the very big impact to our environment because it warms our planet, it gives impact to climate change, global warming. So through his research study, it opens our young minds, no, through his international insight. So murag na-relate na mo nga, okay, dili na din mi kailangan, murag for us nga unfortunate students nga kanang maka-learn and also adto sa mga symposium nga ang mga international professor ang maka-share, murag natagaan gyapon mig opportunity bitaw nga to learn more about sa ilahang insights. So more ito siya.
Yes. So as we strive in our university for internationalization, we could really see the epitome of the kibali the program and the lecture that Professor Allen is given to you and engineer. So anyways, to break the ice, no, mga ka-trailblazer, ato pong i-challenge ang atong mga guests this afternoon sa ilahang guessing game, no, or guessing ability. So, karon ang ato ang segment will be called the Tatak USTP. So, ang atong tatak USTP, no, atong i-guess sa inyo ang mga tatak nga pagkaon kung asa maka-remember good ang atong mga fellow trailblazers nga, uy, kini kay sa USTP ni, uy, kini kay certified tatak USTP. Ready naman mo, ma'am, engineer?
Yeah.
Alright, so dili na nato dugayon pa. Ang atong first clue is, so nag-start po tayo ni siya way back MPSC pa si USTP. And kani daw siya nag-cost nga 5 pesos, but now it's already 15 pesos. So grabe ka inflation. Wala pa. Anyways, marag excited kay si engineer, no, nga makakaon yun kuan. Anyway, napa mo ka ng consolidated nga answer nga pwede na ito makuhan. Ready na ang answer?
Para sa ako kay first option ako ay hotdog.
Hotdog. Gabi, tag-5 din ang hotdog sa una. Tag-5 na din ang hotdog sa una. 15 na. Oh, sige. So, unsa may final nga answer?
Banana Q?
Banana Q? Banana Q ba ang mystery food niya tatak QSTP? Alright, correct answer is banana Q. Grabe ang lipay-lipay nila. Basta pagkaon. Since gigutom naman mo, magkaon sa taog, banana Q. Ayan. Alright, so grabe yun ka-bright ang atong mga guests for today's video, no, mga ka-trailblazer. And of course, no, ato additional nga info sa atong Banana Q. Si Banana Q is a widely Filipino-known nga delicacy here in the Philippines, and it's a banana coated with glazed sugar and become the go-to snack also of our fellow students, trailblazers, faculties, personnels dari sa USTP. So thank you so much for participating our Tatak USTP. So sa sunod nato nga pag tag na dali lang sa Tatak USTP. Alright, so now going back to our topic, no, Natalie, no, ato sang hisgutan kung unsa gid imong natun-an, no, sa lecture series ni Prof. Allen.
So hello everyone. As I can recall, the research presentation of Professor Allen was about life cycle analysis of construction waste. So it technically about capturing CO2 using kanang construction waste. So iyahang gi-discuss sa mo ang presentation using unsa to kanang carbonation process. So di ba dili kayo ta familiar adto nga dili kayo familiar mi sa carbonation process, but dili kayo mi suod ana, pero tungod sa iyang presentation mas nahimbaw-an namon sa tong carbonation process. And sa iya pong sa iya pong research presentation, iya pong gi-present na favorable ba daw ang iyang research throughout sa process, di ba, ang iyang goals, iyang research kay mag-capture og CO2. Pero pag-capture og CO2, di ba, mag-use mag-energy. So, ang katong pag-use og energy is mag-emit man gyapon og CO2. So, favorable ba daw or justifiable ang research? Pero throughout siyang calculation og iyang mga possibilities na iyang gipa-show sa mua, iya ding napakita nga justifiable ra dayon ang iyang gi-present na research. So, to make it short, ang lesson na muna na tunan is like about sa kanang environmental impacts bitaw sa CO2, and it was really a knowledgeable experience sa iya.
Wow, that's so great to hear, no? And it's very timely and relevant to our country, which is the Philippines. Anyways, that's very good to hear, no? Kay very much comprehensive ang gi-share sa atong mga guest karon, no, kung unsa gid ilang natun-an sa lecture ni Prof. Allen. So, lastly, no, unsa to ang message, ma'am?
Okay, so I would like to say thank you to Prof. Allen for saying yes, of course, yes, for coming here. Because I remember when I was in the office of the dean, it was with Ma'am Lori. Ma'am Lori initiated to have a conversation with Allen Horvath to visit our university so that you will also share your knowledge and the impact of internationalization. So first, I would like to say thank you for grabbing the opportunity to visit here and to share your knowledge, your extraordinary knowledge, most especially related to the life cycle analysis, the waste demolition, and teaching us about the impact of waste to the humankind and even to our university. So I hope that whatever that we have learned from Sir Horvath, we will able to apply it in our university and even in our personal thing. And at the same time, I am looking forward that our university will always gear towards internationalization, that the internationalization will really become a niche to our university. And I think Professor Horvath already explained the importance of internationalization, and I really want to be part of that. So thank you, Professor Horvath, for being here with us.
Yeah, thank you so much, Engineer.
So a message to Professor Alan, we are so thank you and we're so very grateful na we have this opportunity to personally listen sa imuhang research presentation. And also thank you for Doc Baguhin for personally inviting us to volunteer sa iyahang pag-present.
So, hi, Professor Alan, if you are watching this, thank you so much for visiting University of Science and Technology. Thank you for choosing University of Science and Technology to share your research study. We are so grateful for your presence and for your powerful words that gives us so much impact, and of course, the learnings nga among ma-apply to our day-to-day lives. Thank you so much, Professor Alan.
Ayan. So we have heard straight from the student and faculty nga dako gyud kaayong kalainan og nindot jud kayo ang program no kung asa naka-exchange ta og mga pagtulunan gikan sa ubang institution, especially from a foreign person, no? And makita man yun nato no sa mga insights, experiences silang gi-share sa ato karong kaudtuhan kung unsa ang impact sa internationalizations. And matod pa ni engineer no, we do also hope that internationalization will be also the niche of our university. So thank you very much for gracing with us this kautuhan. And of course, thank you so much sa paghatag sa inyong insights, experiences, valuable experiences sa amo sa lunch chat. And of course, sa atong mga ka-trailblazers, thank you sa pagkaayo no sa pag-uban-uban ka nato. I know nga daghan kayo mong natun-an kay Prof. Allen, and I hope nga dili lang dito taman no mag-grow pa ni in the near future, especially dedicated also for our university. In the university's 7-point agenda dynamic, Professor Allen Horvat class falls under the letter Y, which is to yearn, to provide excellence and innovative teaching and learning that will surely drive innovation, trailblazing internationally. And that is for our today's episode, mga ka-lunch chat, nga puno sa mga bagong pagtulunan. Until our next episode, and this is your newest lunch chikahan in charge sa kautuhan, I am David Oran, and see you for the next episode of Lunch Chat.